Are you like the rest of Metro Detroit and just sick and tired of cleaning out your gutters? Can't blame you. And that probably means you're like the rest of us going through that cost value analysis of, are gutter guards worth it? Well, today what we did is we broke this down and are going to give you 3 recommendations on what is the overall best budget model, what is the best value, so overall blending performance and cost, and then what is the best overall performance gutter guard system out on the market. So before we get there, I think it's important to realize there are a number of different styles of gutter guards. Now in this one, we're not going to break down the pros and cons of each one, but it's important to at least understand what is out there. So number one, you have what are called a snap-in gutter guard. And what that means, it's a single piece of aluminum or plastic that just snaps in, and that's what's holding the gutter guard in place. Number two, perforated metal, sometimes plastic, but for the most part metal, that are going to actually get screwed into your gutters or use some type of anchor system to be installed into your gutters. Number three, very similar to the last one, but the difference here is we would call this a micro mesh system. So they'll have some version of a perforation, but then a micro mesh liner that's going over the top, so absolutely no fine particles can get through. The next one is a sponge system. These are really popular at the DIY stores, and it's literally exactly what it sounds like. A sponge or bristled system that you just slip right into your gutter. That is the next model. And then the last one is what we would call a helmet style. Some people call them a surface tension system. This is the one you're going to be able to see from the ground level because you're going to see kind of like a hump on top of the gutter, and that's what's preventing the debris from getting in. So with that said, let's get right into it. So what is the best budget-friendly gutter guard system out on the market here in Metro Detroit? Simply put, it's a snap-in system. These are great DIY projects for a lot of folks. If you're comfortable getting on your roof or on ladders, we would strongly steer you towards a metal system as opposed to the plastic, just because the plastic does tend to get brittle over time and can crack and get damaged much more easily. Important to keep in mind here, this is really meant for the DIY person and only for a small amount of debris. You know, you're just trying to keep the minimal amount of stuff out, maybe the fireworks from the 4th of July, the neighborhood kids' tennis ball. So if you don't have a lot of debris falling into your gutters, you feel handy, this is a great option for you. So that's on kind of the lower end. What is the best overall performance gutter protection system? In our minds, we believe it is the micro mesh system. This is because it is a fully encapsulated system. There's no openings at the ends. There's nowhere for critters to get in, bugs, insects, debris, you name it. It is completely encapsulated. The runner-up to it, and it's just an aesthetic thing for us, would be the gutter helmet style, the surface tension. Very, very close in running with the micro mesh. We've offered that. We continue to offer that model as well. But all things being equal, we're going to hedge towards that micro mesh just because it's completely encapsulated. Whereas with the helmet, you still have an opening where some small debris or critters could make their way into the system. Okay, so you have the best performance, you have the best budget, sometimes called cheapest. What's the happy medium where most of us like to live? Well, that's going to be in your perforated aluminum gutter cover. In this example, it's going to actually be affixed to the gutter and generally to the fascia using small zip screws. The end caps are still encapsulated, so you don't have openings at the end when properly installed for critters or insects and things to get in. Will it let some fine particles through? Absolutely. But those will get washed right down, should go right down your downspout. And when we say fine particles, we're talking granules, things of that size or nature. We find it's the best blend between cost and value that is able to service most homeowners. It can handle a very heavy load of debris. And most of these, like in our case, we offer the leaf exterminator. it comes with a 25-year clog-free guarantee right from the manufacturer. So it really is the best of both worlds. If you have deeper questions, you want to know even more, well, hey, our team would love to help you. We'll come out, we'll inspect your gutters, we'll look around at the debris, what would be falling in there, and be able to give you our recommendation on what the best option is for you, price it all out. Heck, we'll price out all three of these if you like. And if you enjoyed this, you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I hope you had a Kanga-Roofic day.